Snowman, what's arriving?
All right, today, simple green car, a 1936 Cord Phaeton. That's what's coming in, and right there she is. You gotta give him the thumbs up though. All right, let's get it out of here. Couldn't have picked up enough to set it right there, but it's gonna roll right onto the lip. See? Hey, people underestimate country boy skills. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, it couldn't be closer.
That's called luck. This whole thing, it's just called luck.
Nah, see, that's country boy skills. Right
Look,
there.
people like the mule trail on the way up to one of them.
3, let's go. Coming to you, Danny boy. All right, let's put the brakes on. I got it. Okay.
All right.
I just need eyes. I want eyes now.
Okay, all right, hold what you got, Fred. Hold what you got. I'm gonna come out. Hold what you got. Okay. All right.
Straight away.
Come straight ahead. Straight ahead. Watch that block, Maddie. Watch that block.
Good up here.
All right. Bring it in and stop. There we go. Boom. All right, let's block this guy front and back right here.
Good. There they are.
The green machine has arrived at Revolt with the
There we go.
It begins.
All right, Danny boy. So we got the 36 Cord in here. We got Fred. Rolled it right off the truck, uneventful. So we're happy about that. And I think we're ready to get started. So if you guys are watching this, follow along and you'll get to see us convert a truly American classic to EV. What do you think about that, Maddie?
It's going to be interesting. There's a lot of challenges, but that's the fun.
Yeah?
It'll be a science project.
This is a piece of American automotive history right here.
It is.
So we're going to pick it up tomorrow?
Oh, come on now. Let's be realistic. Give us till the weekend.
Hey, we're going to take it. We're taking it to SEMA, even if it's at the last minute. We're taking it to SEMA, putting it in our show booth, and showing it off to the world.
There you go.
Everything it seems at the last minute, isn't it?